I have a space heater that you are going to love. Let's open it up. This space heater is the perfect size for bringing with you wherever you need to go. It's small and cute. There are a lot of great features about this space heater, including the tipping function that will turn it off for safety if it tips over. There are two knobs here on the side, one to control the temperature and one for the power. Those are super cute with the color that they have. This overall is going to be easy for me to bring with me. I'm excited to bring this to work. I can also just use this every day. It's small, but it packs a punch with a lot of heat. So go and check out this space heater.